So guys, I am in Accra, Ghana, and I'm staying at this really amazing place called Somewhere Nice. That's the name of the place. And I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my room. God, it's amazing. I love it. I love it so much. So let us do this. So Somewhere Nice is the name of the place, very highly rated on booking.com. And so far so good. The staff are amazing, the reception has been amazing, the security is top notch. I'm on the top floor. The views are not like over the top, but it's Ghana, guys. It's not too much in options. So let me show you my room. It's a quadruple room, so sit sope. So basically you get in. So before you get in, so there's this outer area. Like I said, nothing to take home about the views, but you walk in. Okay, so when you walk in, there's this ladder here that takes you upstairs. Like I said, it's a quadruple room, and I'm gonna show you in a bit. So you come in here. On your right is the bathroom. You can see. Okay, very well maintained. And so I booked this room. It's a room for I booked it for myself, and you can see they didn't compromise on the supplies or anything like that. They still provided all the supplies that four people would need, and I really love this rustic feel of the room, and that's yours truly. Okay, that's what they're using. Some nice soap sockets everywhere. Very critical. Looks like they just cleaned it. And there's 4 places to hang your towels. Remember, it's for 4. And that's the shower. It's pretty basic. The rustic feel still going on there. And the light. So that's the shower area. That's how it looks like. Okay. So I love this rustic industrial. So there's this sliding barn door. That's the one that leads to the bathroom. Okay. So that's the sliding barn door. And then there's a kettle. And you have, I think this is a coffee press. And for the 4 of you, like, I love how thoughtful they are. And there's still 2 more sockets there. Look at that sink. And there's a mini fridge down here. Okay, so that's the mini fridge. And that's yours truly. That's my outfit of the day, guys. On a scale of 1 to 5, what do you think? Let me put the key at the door. So over there's like a wardrobe-ish still there. And like I said, that's yours truly. This outfit, I bought it in India for like less than 1,000 Kenya shillings. Those sandals are from Kariako. I think I bought them for 200, but 300 or 400, I can't remember. But my suitcase, you guys remember, my suitcase is broken. That's why I have wrapped it. I didn't get time to go and buy a new one. There's a chair there, and I love, like, the rustic industrial feel is still going on. Those are my bags. And you can choose to say, please do not disturb, or please change my shit. And there's even like a whole evacuation plan. There's all these checkout times and all the rules and everything. I love the way they have done it so artistically. And then, guys, look at that lamp shade. So cute. Like, it's really rustic and made of recycled material, but they've done it really well. Like, this is a metal. Okay, so this you just switch on, And voila. So guys, look at the bed. Everything is industrial and looks amazing. I already see so many notes I'm gonna take for Starehemana. So I'm just heading now. So there's like a whole, like even a laundry basket is here, but it feels really dusty. We need to clean that. That's the laundry basket. I think, what do they put you? Oh, if you need your laundry at a fee, you put your items in the sack, it will be washed. Okay, this needs to be, it's very dusty. I'll ask them to clean it, but everything else is white and nice. Look at all that. This is a 6x6 bed. I think they literally just put but it's very dusty. Oh, they need to clean the dust off. Okay, so that's at the other side of the lamp. So yeah, so guys, you can see it's a very simple, and that's the curtain that leads out to the balcony. Let me show you the balcony. It's very simple, but very thoughtfully done. There's a bougainvillea plant there, and 2 seats also made of, this is like old tires that have been used to make the seat. Like, how cool is that? That's what they've used. Like, they're trying to recycle old material. And that's also a soda crate that has been recycled to form the table. And this is just wood. So that's the balcony, and the views, nothing to write home about. It's in a residential neighborhood, so you don't expect too much. But I see a restaurant down there. I don't know what they sell, but anyway. So now I am at the balcony, and I'm gonna give you a view of the room from the balcony. Okay, so that's the view from the balcony. Now let me take you guys upstairs. Okay, so this is really well done. Outside light switch, like they've labeled everything. Okay, and then look at that, guys. Isn't it just so beautiful? Wow. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what they have up here. I love this. So this room is costing me about 10,000 Kenya shillings a night. So, but if you're sharing, and it comes with bed and breakfast. So if you're sharing 4 people, it's very affordable. So you can see, like, they literally made it for 4, even though I am the only one who is staying here tonight. So there were other rooms. This hotel has like it's like a hostel. So there's a individual, like just next door there's a 7-bed women's only dormitory. So that is also an option if you don't wanna stay in your own room. But I just loved the feel, and I was just like, since I'm new here, it's my first time and there wasn't that many options, I'm gonna give it a try, and I think it was worth it. So that's the view from the balcony. View of everything else from up here. Not balcony, the, what do you call, I don't know what you call this part of the house, but it's upstairs. I think it's like the loft or something. You call it a loft. So that's the view of everything else from the loft. I think this is what you call this place. Yeah, they've even put a railing there, which makes everything really so so much more safer. Yeah. So I'm just going back down. So there's even the rail they've put here. So even from a security standpoint, that gives you some comfort. Wow, I love it. Let me know what you guys think, but I love it. So that's where I was up. I was up, and that's the view from down here. Okay, guys, I think I've shown you everything there is to see, but I just love the industrial feel of the place. So, guys, that's it for my room here in Accra, Ghana. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye, guys.